Why does your scanner show the P0037 engine code? What does it mean? P0037 is a diagnostic trouble code for HO2S, Heater Control Circuit Low, Bank 1 Sensor 2. This engine code indicates that this means the sensor's heater, which helps it reach operating temperature quickly, is not functioning as expected, potentially impacting engine performance and emissions. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor heater, wiring issues, ECM problems, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota Prius, Nissan Micra, and Mazda MX-5. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.